Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anggun Gunapuspita. I'm from Academic Reading B. In this video, I will present about journal book with the topic Writing Narrative Essay using ebook writing software, analysis of student digital writing work. And okay, I will start from introduction. Malaysian students will advance in their future if they hold the proficiency and ability to write well in English. Palpanadan, Salam, and Ismail note that in Malaysian education system, much emphasis is given into the teaching and learning of English language in the country, including ESL writing. Nevertheless, the learners' deficiency in English writing performance is observed, and this contributes to the main concern among educators and other stakeholders in the country. Malaysian students in tertiary education do not display a sound grasp of English, especially in their writing, even though English is held as a second language in the country. Writing is one of the subjects that influence a learner's ability to excel in other subjects. Due attention must be given to effort in increasing the writing performance among all the students. And the next is issue ENSL writing instruction. Many Malaysian ESL teachers encounter difficulties in their ESL writing classroom, mainly dealing and coping with the challenge of using the appropriate writing instruction to bring out the impact of the writing lesson for this student. The second is regardless of immense effort they put into their writing lesson, these instructors are often ill-equipped to teach it if they do not understand what good writing is or look like in the first place. Pre-service teachers face the challenge of meeting the many ASL students who get overwhelmed by the writing complexity. Hence, there is a growing demand in education to develop the skill and knowledge necessary for pre-service teachers of English to effectively write English essay. And the next is research method. The first is design of the study. The study adopted a qualitative research design which was conducted using document analysis technique. Document analysis refers to a systematic procedure to review or evaluate both printed and electronic. When applying document analysis, data are examined and interpreted to elicit meaning, gain understanding, and develop empirical knowledge. These categories were established prior to the analysis by Bubas and Orehofaki and were further adapted by the research to fit with the data that they analyzed in the study. The comparison between Bubas and Orehofaki codes and the research adaptation of their codes are listed in the table 1. And this is table 1. And the next is research participant. Digital written works of 6 pre-service teachers were selected for the study, in which each pre-service teacher completed one piece of digital written works. The pre-service teachers were in their first semester of the one-year foundation program of Bachelor of Teaching that was offered by one item. The major was of teaching English as a second language or TESL, and further details on the research participant are presented as in table 2. And this is table 2. And the next is research procedure. In the study, the pre-service teachers were enrolled in the course of Language Advancement 1 for a semester of 15 weeks with 4 hours of face-to-face interaction per week. In this course, 5 weeks of 20 contact hours were allocated for the teaching of writing skill utilizing the e-book writing software as a tool for process-based writing approach. The inclusion of technology requires the writing practitioner to allocate adequate time to writing tasks and accomplishment, and this aspect was catered for in the study. In parts of this writing lesson, input of narrative essay writing that was exposed by the idea of process-based writing approach was given by one or lecturer research by introducing the necessary elements in narrative essay. And the teaching of writing skill utilizing the e-book writing software as a tool for process-based writing approach. The pre-service teachers were then required to determine one narrative essay to write on for their coursework tasks individually with the e-book writing software named iSpring Pro 6 Point 2. The pre-service teacher engaged themselves in stage of process-based writing approach, and they were given a total of 4 weeks to complete the digital written works. The digital written works were also edited by the lecturer or researcher, and their peers took out for the 4 weeks of utilizing the ebook writing software as a tool of process-based with approach. Writing approach, I mean. After publishing their essay digitally and for their peers and the lecturer researcher to view, the essay were saved in compact disc CD to be credited by the lecturer or researcher as their final digital written works. And the last is result and discussion. The first is genre and message. It means the digital written works produced by all the participants were written in the correct genre. And the second is fulfillment of task requirement. All digital written works fulfill the required number of words to which the participants were instructed to write in about 350 words. And in fact, all of them were much longer than that was required, and all participants include character, conflict, and plot event in their digital written works. The next is grammar, spelling, and punctuation. All participants display good and relevant language use appropriate for the intent, purpose, and audience. And the next is originality. All participants wrote in their own digital written works as required, and originality is evident in every page of work. And then is coherence and organization. The pre-service teacher digital written works as presented in the organized manner, which each section logically relate to the others. And the last is use of multimedia in text presentation. The pre-service teacher create attractive layout and web design for the digital written works, which lead to interesting illustrative works. Okay, that's all about the journal. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.